Have you ever wondered what people did for beauty before the world was filled with complex chemical formulas? Let's take a journey back in time, long before synthetic ingredients were even a thought, to uncover the timeless secrets of natural beauty. For thousands of years, our ancestors relied on the power of nature to look and feel their best. Ancient Egyptians, renowned for their striking beauty, used coal made from galena and malachite, not just for dramatic eyes, but also for its protective properties. Cleopatra famously bathed in milk and honey to soften her skin. This wasn't just a legend. The lactic acid in milk is a natural exfoliant, and honey is a powerful humectant, drawing moisture into the skin. They understood that what nature provided was gentle yet incredibly effective. Across the globe in ancient Greece and Rome, olive oil was liquid gold. It wasn't just for cooking. It was the ultimate moisturizer for skin and hair, packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. They would anoint their bodies with it after bathing to achieve a radiant glow. They also used ingredients like clay for face masks to purify their skin, drawing out impurities without stripping natural oils. Moving to Asia, the beauty traditions are just as rich. For centuries, Japanese women have used rice water to cleanse their faces and wash their hair, leaving it shiny and strong. The geisha's flawless complexion was often credited to camellia oil, a light, easily absorbed moisturizer that nourishes the skin deeply. In India, a holistic healing system over 5,000 years old has always emphasized using herbs like turmeric for its anti-inflammatory benefits and neem for its purifying properties. These weren't just beauty treatments. They were rituals that connected them to the earth. So, what happened? The 20th century brought the chemical revolution. Suddenly, labs could create ingredients that promised faster, more dramatic results. While some of these advancements were helpful, we also saw the rise of harsh sulfates, parabens, synthetic fragrances, and countless other chemicals that can irritate the skin, disrupt our natural balance, and even have long-term health implications. We became disconnected from the simple, effective wisdom of our ancestors. But today, we're seeing a beautiful return to our roots. People are realizing that the historical approach wasn't just primitive, it was pure, sustainable, and incredibly wise. By choosing products with simple, recognizable ingredients, we are honoring a legacy of beauty that has stood the test of time. Avoiding harsh chemicals isn't a new trend. It's a rediscovery of a fundamental truth. Nature provides everything we need to be truly, healthily beautiful. This historical perspective shows us that true beauty care is about nourishment, not punishment. It's about working with our bodies, not against them. By embracing these ancient practices, we're not just avoiding potentially harmful substances. We're adopting a gentler, more holistic philosophy that benefits our skin, our health, and our planet. The next time you reach for a skincare product, think about the centuries of wisdom behind natural ingredients. The most effective beauty secrets might just be the ones that have been hiding in plain sight all along. Thanks so much for watching this journey through beauty history with me. If you found this interesting, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on living a more natural and beautiful life. See you in the next one.